Welcome back, Hot Wheels and diecast collectors. I've got the last three ZAMACs for the year. These are Walmart exclusive, unpainted recolors, I guess you could call them, that are exclusively at Walmart. And they come out in batches of 3 throughout the year, and Walmart does 18 special releases every year. So before we open these up, I wanted to look at the other 15 we've had so far this year. The first one was a 64 Impala in the tuned edition. Number 2 was the Honda City Turbo 2. Number 3 was the Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck. Number 4 was the 68 Chevy Nova. Number 5 was the Bugatti Chiron. Number 6 was the Porsche 917 LH. Number 7 was the Dodge D100. Number 8 was the 64 Nova wagon. Number 9 was the Subaru Impreza 22B. Number 10 was the Dodge Power Wagon. Number 11 was the 92 Ford Mustang. Number 12 was the custom 71 El Camino. Number 13 was the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Number 14 was the Honda Civic Type R. And number 15 was the 92 BMW M3. So number 16 is the 52 Hudson Hornet. It is number 140 out of 250, and it came in 2 additional colors this year. The first one we saw was this gray Rod Squad livery, a throwback to the early NASCAR and the Super Treasure Hunt version of the fabulous Hudson Hornet. And then we just more recently saw it in this purple color. And now we have it in a ZAMAC. I like it with the red lettering and the chrome base, and the ZAMAC body really makes that red lettering pop out. And the black steelies. It looks really good. Nice and shiny all the way around. Number 17 for the year is the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302, which is number 210. And it has come out in only one previous color this year, in this black with green trim. The Von Gittin Jr.'s RTR Vehicles Custom 69 Boss. Even has a little Tampo RTR and Hot Wheels Tampo on the windshield. Looks good in black, a little bit of green trim, and it's got those cool classic style rims with the 5 slotted mags. And so now we have the ZAMAC. Still carries the exact same tampos on the hood and on the windshield. The same exact wheels. So no color changes there. Just the black paint has been removed. The taillight panel is part of the base, which is why it is black. But we still have those 5 slot rear mags. And the last ZAMAC for the year is going to be this, the McLaren Senna. It is number 233 for the year out of number 250, and it has also only come in one other color so far this year, in this plain white with some black 10 spokes and a little black Tampo and the McLaren logo on the hood. And we got some rear taillight Tampo going on and the McLaren logo in the center of the rear. So the ZAMAC has the same tampos, but it does have different wheels. They went with some orange-lipped PR5s. I think I would have liked the black 10 spokes a little bit better, but it does look good in the all chrome unfinished ZAMAC with the rear detail and that hood Tampo. Still have the logos. That looks good. So there they are, all 18 ZAMACs for 2020. Leave a comment down below, let me know which one's your favorite. If you don't subscribe to this channel, leave a like and ring that bell for those notifications, and we'll talk to you next time.